Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Walmart gift card directly online. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you can either, if you're on an iPhone or Android, use the Walmart app and open that up, or you can also use the walmart.com website if you're on a computer or you prefer that. I'll show you both options. Now, if you're in the app, you can either just search for it, but sometimes it comes up with other results. So I like to tap on services at the bottom right, and then scroll down until you get to the option that says gift cards and tap on that. Or if you're on a website, again, you can go to walmart.com and then you can tap on those three lines at the very top left. And then you can scroll down, and on here, we're going to choose departments. So tap on departments and then scroll down again until you find gift cards, and it's towards the bottom. Tap on gift cards. Now within here, you can see a bunch of different gift cards. Keep in mind, on Walmart, you can buy gift cards for other companies as well, like Amazon or a Visa gift card or an Outback gift card, stuff like that. So we can tap on gift cards and it will take you to this. But again, instead of Visa or all these other ones, we're going to choose Walmart gift cards. After you've done that, you can see it defaults to the basic blue Walmart gift card, and it says shipping arrives in 3+ days. So there are two different options. One is if you want to physically ship a gift card to somebody, or the other one is if you want an online gift card that will just be emailed to them and they can receive it immediately. So if you want a physical gift card, you can choose that one. Or if not, you're going to scroll down until one that doesn't say shipping. Keep scrolling down until it says email delivery here. You can see email delivery. So this is a digital one, and we can tap on it. And essentially, once we're in here, it will just ask you the card like color that you want. You can choose a different one. Let's say it's happy birthday. Let's keep it at $50, or you can enter in anything between $5 and $500. On here, it asks for the recipient's email address. Essentially, it's going to email them that gift card with the code and the PIN number that they'll be able to enter in to redeem it. And the number of gift cards, and then you can have their name and your name and a message. After you've done that, it's similar to before and any other checkout. You just hit continue to checkout, and it will bring you to your cart, and then you can go through the payment process to basically buy that gift card online and send it to somebody. However, another option that you might want to choose is just to go to Google and you can type in Walmart gift card online and hit go. Now, the nice thing is if you scroll down, there are some other options as you scroll down. You can see you can get a Walmart gift card through PayPal. If you use PayPal and you want to prefer to do that, you can choose to go through PayPal. You can also go down, and in some cases, there are options where there are third-party sites that will resell gift cards, but make sure that is a reputable source of gift cards. If you go to anything that looks sketchy or that you don't recognize, don't give them your number or your information. You can see other options on here, Giftly, DoorDash, etc. will be able to allow you to buy those gift cards, sometimes at a discount. But again, make sure that you check that seller to make sure they're legitimate and not just going to steal your money or information. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.